Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a text onto your footer in your Shopify website. So you need to start from the dashboard here and you want to go to the left hand side here on online store right here. And you want to go to themes here as well. And on your current theme that's active, which is this one, you want to click on this to customize. Now wait for it to load. And in here, you'll see your website and you want to scroll down so you can see the footer. So here. And on the left hand side here, you'll see that there's the header, there's a template, and here's the section we want to edit, which is the footer. Now it's a bit confusing because there's a section called a footer and there's also another section called a footer. And the way we can add text is by adding a block here, not adding a section. If we want to add a section, as you can see, there's only an email sign up and a custom liquid. I guess you can add a text with a custom liquid, but it's a bit cumbersome. So let's just do it the simple way, which is using the footer here. Let's click on add block, and on add block you'll see there's a couple of things like menu, brand information, text, and image. Obviously we want text. Here you go, text. Now it'll create a new element called text right here. If you want to edit it, just click on it. And in here, there's the heading and there's also a subtext. If you don't want any heading, just delete this and it'll be only the subtext. If you want only headings and you don't want the subtext, okay, same thing. You can delete the subtext and it'll be just like that. I'm going to redo this again. Okay. Now, if you want to edit the text, there's a couple of options here like generate, bold, italic, and also insert link. Insert link is like a hyperlink. So if you want to add a YouTube link here, it'll turn the text blue later, and it's going to make the text clickable. So the user can click the link and get redirected onto another website. For the subtext, you have a lot more options. Like you can do a paragraph here. Like you can change the heading, like H1, H6, H4, things like this. So it's kind of like the size. And you can also do bold, you can do italics, and you can also add a link. You can also do a bullet list as well. So a lot of things like things and things, something like this, right? And you can also do a numbered list if you want. So things like that. And it'll make a neat little list here on the footer as well. And that is how you add the text onto a footer on your Shopify website.